I guess we all know the struggle of being a student, of being in a hurry, of being almost broke. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 super simple recipes that can be done in 5 minutes. They are all under 2 euros, and I know the prices may vary depending on which country you live in or where you do your groceries, but this is like an estimate, and all the details will be down below, like the exact prices and stuff like that. So I really hope you enjoy these. Let's get right into them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these easy meals. If you want to see more 5-minute meals or I don't know, something else, please let me know down below. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!